can you make a dead man sing? What kind of melody can it bring? Can it make a sound without breathing? How can you make a dead man sing? I'm just a clay you formed and breathing, filled my lungs with the sound of your holy name. All the praises for you, forever I'm singing, because your name is the sound of my breathing. Yahweh, Yahweh, your name is the sound of my breathing. Yahweh, Yahweh, your name is the reason I'm living. Yahweh, Yahweh, your name is the sound of my heart beating. Yahweh, Yahweh, your name is the reason I'm singing. You are the air that I breathe. Fill my lungs with the breath of your spirit.